Hey everybody, got something different today. Actually need to repair my tools. I have three cordless screwdriver drills here, DeWalt's, as you can see, and the motors are well worn. You can kind of see the one up here I tried cleaning out just to kind of get the crust out of there, but it's there we go, almost got it to run. Oof, God, that stinks. Trying to get the smoke to come out. Oh, a little bit. There you go, so you can see. So that one's the worst. And then these two just sparking a lot and smell after they run a bit. And this one's not terrible, so I'm going to save, yeah, or was it this one? I might even just save both those motors just as backups, you know, emergency backups, because I do have a few more of these. And to take them apart, I'm going to use this one. It's good. So let's get that battery out of the way and get our tools. I'm going to put these ones off to the side. And we're going to take this one apart first. So we need to get our proper torques. I think it's a T10. Let's see. T10. Yeah, T10. And then take that out and put it in here. And there's no finesse to this, just take all the screws out. And there's no special screw that goes in a special spot. It's just all the same length. All T10 coarse thread. Just put them in there so we don't lose them. Then, let's give it a little wiggle. Then that top shell pops off. It's not bad. It's what is this, ABS? No, polycarbonate, PBT, TPE. That's the TPE, I guess. So not bad. And then here's the guts. There's your trigger, electronic speed controller. I'm guessing they use PWM out to the motor. That would make sense. I'm going to leave all this in. In fact, I'm going to keep my hand on it. Lift that up, disconnect the gearbox from the motor. Just held together by the, you know, by the construction. And then, let's see. Let's get the little needle nose. Pop off that positive wire. And negative. There's the old motor. Now, I don't think the new ones, oh no, the new ones do come with that plastic. Here's the part number. I got these from Repair Clinic. You can find them on eBay. Amazon, you know, all over the place. They run anywhere from about 20 to 30 bucks. And I seem to get about 2 years of pretty regular use out of these. You can see the just the visual, how similar they are. They have the same, you know, alignment marks and everything. Oh yeah, that's when this one was put in. About, I guess that's 2 years ago. Yeah, so it's about right. And I'll mark that on this one. course, I can't find my Sharpie. I can't find my Sharpie. Alright, well, just do it this way. Let's see. 120. So scratch that in there. Then we're going to plug the positive in. Make sure these are snug. If they're not, give them a little squeeze so they are. And that will drop back in. Keep my hand on this. You can see the motor. I think, yeah, I'm pretty sure that's, yeah, there's the little spot right there it goes into. So we'll get our gearbox. Here's the gearbox. That's for changing, you know, high to low gear. There's the planetary setup. So what I'll do, set it together. See, that goes in there. And you just set it down. You'll feel it. It'll drop in. Then we just take the top. Oh, check our wires. Make sure they don't get pinched. All right. That one's changed. Just gonna put, let's see, 1, 2, I'm gonna put 3 screws in. And then we'll try it, and then I'll put the rest in. Nice. Much better. It just feels better, sounds better, looks better, all that stuff. These aren't, you know, any kind of expensive drill, but I already have invested, you know, a lot in batteries and chargers. We use them all over the place here, so I feel it's better to keep these running for 20 bucks every few years instead of, you know, spending a couple hundred on new everything. You know, because I probably have like 2 dozen batteries around, chargers, all that stuff. And these have been going since 2012, so 8 years, 20 bucks every few years, not bad. Alright, so that one's good. Now we'll do this one, and this one I will do in tribute to HandToolRescue. Uh-huh. Something's not like the others. Just trying to figure out why it wouldn't drop in. It's got a different flange plate on it. Let's see. Yeah, I'll take this one. Oh, wait a minute. Did that thing just slide up? You know what? The magnet shield is moved. That's good.
And then the last one. I'm going to do this one straight through.
Good to go. Have 3 working cordless drills now. 3 old motors. So if you want to know where to get these, I will put a link in the description to where I got these particular ones. Plus there's obviously other options to where you can pick these up. So yeah, as always, thank you for watching.